What is up, FordF100World? I've got a pretty cool item right here. Now, if you guys can guess, cool logo, has some lights on the back, put it up on the wall. Trying to talk him into selling these. His name is Jake Griswold. I also thought of the Griswold family Christmas as well. And he contacted me and he said, hey man, I got something for you. And I was like, okay. And he sent it to me and this thing arrived, dude. Freaking pretty cool. I don't know the super duper details about it. It is wood backed. He, have this little LED light, has a remote. I don't know, what do you guys think this is? Clear coat of some kind or enamel or whatever? Pretty cool. I posted a picture on FordF100World of it back on a wall so you guys can see the back lighting and everything like this. Is this something that you guys would be interested in? I don't know the cost of it or anything. I do know that if he sells some, he wants to put it toward, I think it was like some college fund or something like that for people because he's a teacher. And so it'd be good for a good cause, but let me know if you guys are interested in something like this. Again, I don't know the cost, but I'll get that stuff to you. So comment down below, and of course, check out Jake Griswold. He does a couple other things. And yeah, support those that support FordF100World, and we all support each other in this F100World community, man. Thanks, guys. See ya.
Hold on.
Do that.
Okay.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
All right, redo.